If you have issues with Wi-Fi not working correctly on iPhone 17, here's what you can do. So the first thing that we can do is go to settings. We're going to open Wi-Fi settings, and you can simply disable and enable Wi-Fi over here by tapping on this switcher. So simple switch off and on of Wi-Fi might be quite helpful. In some cases, this is all you need to do in order to solve some of the issues with the connecting issues of your Wi-Fi. And if that doesn't help, another thing that you can do before we actually move on to the next step is to check if you have Wi-Fi access on other devices. So if you have another device that is using the same Wi-Fi, and then you can just simply check if there is a connection over there. If there is no connection on another device, then of course it might mean that you have an issue with the Wi-Fi itself rather than an issue with the Wi-Fi on your iPhone 17. But if you don't have access to Wi-Fi on your iPhone 17 only, if you have like connection issue or something, then we can proceed. So another thing that we can do is simply go to the details of the network that you are connected to. So we can select the network over here, and you can disable the low data mode, which might be the reason why you have issues with the Wi-Fi. If your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting, then you can make sure that auto join is enabled. And also, if none of this helps, then you can forget this network and then try to connect to the Wi-Fi again. In some cases, for example, if you have been connected to the Wi-Fi but you cannot find it anymore on this list anywhere, then you can go to Edit in the upper right corner, and you should be able to find all known networks. So then you can remove the known network and then press delete in order to clear the information, and then try to connect again. Try to find your network in here again. And last but not least, another thing that you can do is you can go to General, and then in General Settings we can go to Transfer or Reset iPhone, choose Reset over here, and then you want to choose Reset Network Settings. In this case, if you decide to reset network settings, you will actually erase or actually restore factory settings of Wi-Fi, cellular or mobile data, and I believe Bluetooth as well. So you might need to reconnect to Bluetooth devices. You will definitely have to reconnect to Wi-Fi networks, and also you might need to check cellular and mobile data settings in order to see if anything changed. But after that, you should be able to connect to your network again, to your Wi-Fi over there again, and hopefully this time it will work. If none of this helps as well, you can, as the last thing that you can do is simply restart your iPhone 17. So you want to power it off and then turn it back on and see if that helps. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.